So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode. Zone Talk Show. I got some friends here. You hear me? Introduce yourself.
What's up, man? It's hard-headed Tez, man.
What's going on? You feel me? It's Donovan at that boy _ Don _
You wanna shout out?
At hard-headed Tez.
So y'all feel me? We back with a little mukbang. I'm about to interview these two. We just got some Chipotle. We just rode the bikes around. You feel me? So I'm gonna interview y'all. You feel me?
Feel you?
So I ask y'all one by one. Where y'all grew up at, man? You talk about for the mic.
Low?
No, loud, like, you feel me?
I grew up in Cleveland.
Yes, Lord.
I grew up in Cleveland on East 93rd, but I was born in Bedford. I basically lived in Bedford.
I grew up on 186.
I grew up on Kansas, 143rd. Feel me? Just moved to Lakewood, but y'all already know that, I think.
Currently stay in Maple Heights.
Where you currently stay at?
I stay in Brooklyn, Ohio.
Yes, Lord. So how y'all finish out the school year?
I finished pretty strong. It got hard, because we at home, COVID.
Yes, Lord.
But I finished.
But let me tell you, bro. I had all A's in like the last 2 weeks, bro. I had all A's in the last 2 weeks. And then I turned the assignment in wrong, right? My stuff went back down to a D.
When you turn that assignment in, on that bit, you feel me?
It went down to a D.
Mm.
And the only way I could get a tattoo is if I had A's and B's.
Right, he ain't getting no tattoo, y'all.
Now I got a C+. She can't even put it up a little bit.
Teachers be petty.
Genesco. Trash.
Hey, so who was your favorite teachers at Ed's? All right, go first, man.
Probably Mrs. Jane.
I forgot about Miss Jane. I was about to say Mr. Tubbs. Feel me?
He won over. But he had his moments with me.
My favorite teacher is Mrs. Jane, but my favorite teacher that I had this year would be, I have to say, Mr. Corrigan, definitely. Neil Cork,
Nah.
definitely.
I had my times with him.
I have my times with him too, but I love that man.
I'll say
When I with her, I ain't really mess with Neil, man.
probably Mr. Williams.
How y'all feel about Mr. Yako though, man?
I love Yako.
How you feel, bro?
Real is real. I love Yako. That's my boy.
I couldn't do it.
Michael Yak from
I'm glad
Amber.
I got it out of there.
Hey, so if y'all had to play, professional football, what team would y'all play for? What position?
Hey.
Dream position.
Hey. Safety or running back for me, but anywhere, any team that draft me.
No, I'm just saying, like, if you had a preference, like, you feel me?
Probably the Browns, man. Get the Browns good.
And what position? Only one position though.
Safety. Hard-headed test for a reason, you feel me?
The Browns. Corner.
Yeah, I play for the Browns too. I play. I want to play tackle. I'll play tackle for the Browns if I could. How y'all feel about the new players we just picked up in the drive though?
I'm like you. Everybody say we always gonna have a Super Bowl season, but this year I feel like we're going pretty far.
Bruh, we got Grant Delpit.
Oh
Come
yeah.
on now.
I forgot about Grant Delpit.
I got a question for you
Huh.
that everybody want to know. Is you going to get back in football?
For sure. Hey y'all, for those out there who don't know, I will be transferring to. I ain't even gonna say the school because people gonna think I'm playing, bitch. Just know it's a top tier school, bruh. It's in Florida. They wear blue and white. Y'all can. You feel me?
He mean IMG.
Yeah. You feel me? I'll be attending IMG as a junior. Feel me? I'm unstoppable now. Y'all already know that, man. Hey, though. But in the summer, what y'all gonna be doing this summer, man?
Chilling with the boys, you feel me?
Hey.
Having a good time and staying safe.
And chilling with the boys, chilling with my girl. Hey, people don't know about it though. You know, we gonna
Hey,
get.
can you get us it?
Hold on, yeah, wait till later in the video.
Oh, he can't get us it on camera.
Hey, stay tuned, man.
Hey, though, what y'all think about this Rona? It's
Messing up
pretty
my
dumb.
life.
messing up your life.
Yeah. I can't even train out no football field, on no turf field.
It's pretty dumb, but also it's pretty dumb for them to open up the stores. They really just opening stuff because they losing money, but they don't realize that if they keep opening it up, it's just gonna shoot up because everybody's trying to get out the crib.
People don't know all sides of the story. You feel me?
I feel you.
Like people think just cause stuff opening up, you gotta go. You feel me?
Right. That's why I ain't got no haircut yet.
Right though. That's like a couple people ask me why you ain't get your haircut yet. I'm like, you feel me? Like ain't no point. We ain't going nowhere.
I ain't in no rush.
Yeah, though. You feel me?
I ain't gonna lie to you, I got 2 haircuts.
I'm coolie. I'll let my hair grow. I'll save my money. You gotta think about it, bruh. And I got a girl, so I don't need to be impressing on it. You feel me, though? You hear me? Hey, dog. What y'all feel about the current events, though, man? How y'all feel?
What current events?
You know, man. Damn, can I get some elbow space, little bro? Hey, how y'all feel about the current events, though? Y'all they think it's funny. They think it's funny, y'all.
What events, bro?
Hey, bro, you know about the events, bro.
Are you talking about the 6ix9ine situation?
We could touch on that, too. How y'all feel about the 6ix9ine situation?
6ix9ine is smart, bro.
You
I don't mess
you
with
go
rats, but 6ix9ine is smart. He built all that. You feel me? He built himself up. Now you feel me? Number 1.
Alright, hear me out. Hear me out. Y'all calling him a rat and stuff, but if y'all was in his position, and y'all would have snitched too.
Yeah, y'all.
And plus, if the dude going with your baby mama and stuff, all that,
They being disloyal to him, bro. But now, I feel like Brett trolling. Like
He definitely is.
Oh, yeah, he tripping now.
he doing a little too much. You feel me? When he first got on Instagram, I was like, all right, I'm cool with it. But now he going overboard with it. You feel me?
Messing with Snoop Dogg?
Oh yeah.
Can't be doing that.
You don't mess with
mess
Double LG.
You feel me? D on double G.
Hey, no, though. Yo, you feel me? How y'all feel about? Y'all know what Doja Cat said? You do?
What she said?
I just know it's something like racist.
Yes, she said something racist. I don't really know Doja Cat. I don't listen to like female music for it. Unless it's like the Meg or something.
Nigga, style.
How y'all feel about Meg?
I ain't gonna fake. I can't handle it. I can't.
Hey, I
handle
respect
it.
you. I respect you for
You
that.
feel me? I ain't gonna front for no. You feel me? I ain't gonna front for nobody. But I
How
can't
you feel
handle
though? How you feel about it?
Man, I can't handle it either, man.
Hey, I respect it. I respect it. A lot of people think they can handle Meg.
it.
Meg ain't
The
no joke.
stallion. That ain't nothing to play with.
You think you can handle Lizzo? No, really real though. Do you?
Cool. I ain't gonna get myself in the position to try to handle it.
How about you?
Of course.
You can handle that?
I can't handle it.
I gotta ask y'all, who y'all celebrity crush, man?
Zendaya. Oh my god.
Who yours? I think I know yours.
What it is?
Milani?
Huh?
Milani?
No.
What's the one girl that you had on your home shirt?
Kennedy?
She had the tattoos.
Oh, Kaylani.
Kaylani.
That's not.
You don't like her no more?
I do, but I'll go with Beyonce.
Hey,
Couple, bro.
I gotta ask y'all a question. Did y'all see what Chark did to McQueen? Chizzy?
No, I ain't see what he
Did you? So look, Chark, Black Chark on Instagram or YouTube. I guess him and McQueen was beefing, but I don't think they was because they was just cool. And Chark started dating McQueen ex. Well, he ain't date her, but he did videos with her. And on his Instagram, it's a picture of him. Did you see it?
No, I ain't see it.
It's a picture of him his face on McQueen ex booty, and then McQueen socked him. Like 2 days ago, like they met up. He was like, "We just gonna talk. We ain't about to fight." McQueen standing next to him, and popped him. How y'all feel about that? Like, if your friend, I ain't gonna say he was his best friend, but he was his friend. Go out with your ex all on the internet with it.
That's fake. Straight up. There's one thing if they come to you, talk to you to the side.
For real.
You feel me? You mind if I? You feel me? But and then take it on the internet like that. That's just clout chasing. That's fake.
Mm-hmm.
Man, what y'all feel about Flight getting dunked on, man?
It ain't June yet.
I really don't be watching Flight though. I don't.
That man.
FTC. You feel me?
Irish Spring.
Hey, but Flight be watching my videos though.
What's up, Flight?
Yeah, Flight be watching my videos. Say what's up.
What's up, Flight?
FTC, man.
If y'all don't know, I'm cousins with DD.
DD who?
DDG. So,
I think I do that.
yeah. So, me and DDG, his mom is my auntie's aunt. So we like cousins. They was born in Detroit type. You feel me?
They was from Pontiac.
Yeah, probably Detroit.
No, Michigan.
See, hey, you right there. I'm tripping. They was from Pontiac, Michigan, man. My bad. Every time I think of Michigan, I think of Detroit. You feel me?
I feel you.
Hey, what's my favorite college team though?
Ohio State. I can't rep no other team that
You
ain't
ain't
from
no
Ohio.
one, man.
For real? Hey, bro, say that again so the viewers can hear you.
I can't rep no other team that ain't from Ohio. Straight up.
He like Alabama.
Hey,
I don't get it.
Crimson Tide, man. I told you my family from there, man.
I got
from
family
here.
from Mississippi.
Right.
I don't even know
Mississippi not
Mississippi
good.
team.
I got family from Alabama.
Mississippi State.
Abado. I said Abado. Y'all feel me?
Let's get into the crushes, man.
Question?
Crushes, man.
Like
The crushes.
Like
crushes that we can pull.
no,
like-
like our girls.
Oh, okay. Let's get into it.
Right. I'm not single, guys.
I say you start first.
Yeah,
We
you
go
start.
down the
You
line.
start. Wait, what you mean crushes?
Like who we like.
Oh, alright.
Tez, you can do the honors.
Man,
I want to hear names or a name.
Or they last name.
her last name is Dominguez, man.
Dominguez.
I think I know who that is.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you feel me though?
EXO.
She in the same grade.
Mm.
You feel me though? Rican.
Mm. That's it? You only got one crush?
Of course. I only got one crush. What about you, dude? What about you, Easy Don?
It's just one girl.
Mm.
Her name began with an S. You feel me? Last name began with a C.
Mm.
I ain't gonna say too much.
My crush, my girl. Hey, man. For y'all who don't know, bro, my girl a baddie.
What's her name if you don't mind me asking?
I don't put people's stuff on the camera, but I'll tell you, man. Her name start with an M.
Bro,
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
it's hot, bro.
Yes, I think maybe the tomatoes if you got tomatoes. Hey, y'all fool? You fool? Or you want to carry on this video?
No, we can continue on a bit. You know.
All right, man. So what y'all, man? What y'all want to be when y'all get older?
Tez.
NFL player, man. Take care of my family.
Sure.
You feel me? Gotta get my mama straight. You feel me?
Man, I want to be a financial advisor. You
Mm.
feel me? Help people manage their money. You know. After some years of that, you feel me, building myself up, I'm gonna invest my money in real estate. You know,
I want to be in real estate too.
buy some houses. You know.
If I ever get rich, my bad, bro. Go ahead.
No, I'm done.
If I ever get rich, I'm gonna buy a whole bunch of restaurants and stuff. Feel me?
And my backup, it was a what is it called? Animal doctor. What's
A
it called?
veterinarian?
Yeah, vet. I wasn't thinking, bro. A vet, but I can't take all that mess.
Yeah, I can't.
But
I'm sorry, but I hate hospitals.
But Probably like a coach.
Or you can be like a commentator if you ain't think of that.
Yeah.
Like, you know how shocking them is.
Or I could be a
Or you can go to sports
comedian.
medicine.
Comedian.
My mom been telling me about sports
You're
medicine.
not funny.
Damn. Y'all about to fight on the vlog. We got the gloves. Hey, y'all, in the summer, we going to be doing boxing videos.
Word.
Feel me? If there's any viewer want to box one of us, and we accept it, we'll fight y'all.
We gonna accept it regardless. You feel me though?
Do this?
As long as it ain't fake.
Alright, we boxing. It ain't no beef though. We just gonna box. Shoot for the vid.
We not
Be cool.
boxing each other. We're boxing y'all.
Yeah, we ain't boxing each other. Feel me? Unless it's smoke, you feel me?
What's the joke?
What's the
What's the joke, fella?
Bernardo. You know Ryan Garcia? You don't know Ryan Garcia? You do? You know Delonte Davis?
Yeah, the boxer. Yeah.
Oh, is he a boxer too?
Oh, yeah, I heard of him. Yeah.
You never seen him?
No, heard of him.
Hey, you think y'all know Jake Paul? You think he can beat KSI if they fight?
No.
Yeah.
Logan Paul can. Jake Paul can't.
Didn't Logan Paul die? I mean, I
Right,
said
Logan
die.
Paul lost.
Lost.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh, well then Jake Paul. Damn, sure not gonna beat him.
Nah, Jake Paul said he was a better fighter, but I don't know if that's true.
No, Jake Paul fat. Logan not.
Bruh, I was watching some Mike Tyson videos today, bruh.
Hey, hold up. Y'all know Mike from Logan Paul vlogs?
No, I don't watch him.
Y'all know he go out with Lana Rhodes?
Oh, I seen that. He set him up on. I seen
Yep.
it for his birthday.
And they go out. I don't know if they currently go out. How would you feel going out with a, you know?
That's a blessing.
Mm.
Blessing.
Right.
I ain't go. That's a blessing, goddammit.
You look up your, bruh, I'm sure countless people seeing him videos. If you feel me?
I don't care. I would, but if I date one, I'm not gonna really be in love. I'm gonna get an experience that nobody got before. I mean that some people got.
Oh, the regular person.
out there.
Yeah, no regular person got. That's a blessing.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Oh.
How about you? You can't speak on
I
it?
can't do that.
Yeah, I can't do that. I'm sorry.
I
Yeah.
can.
You know how many times she got in, bruh?
Her video, they made a video together.
Bruh, I
real?
can't do that.
He ain't professional though. He ain't no industry nigga. You know what I'm saying? He can't. So, what's up, boys?
Man, back to what I was saying. I was watching Mike Tyson videos,
Oh, yeah.
bruh. That got me feeling some type of way, bruh. That man different, bruh.
We need some challenges for him. Hey, how old they gotta be? How old they gotta be?
15 through 20.
Damn, you want a 20-year-old?
Ain't nothing but to do it.
Shit, me. 15
Right.
through 17. Nigga. If you 15 through 17 trying to catch the fade, friendly fade, you feel me?
Right, it ain't no beef.
No beef, no shoot.
Hey,
It ain't no beef, no shooting, none of
I
that.
was just playing, bruh. 15 through 17.
No nothing. We
But-
just
Yeah, we
boxing.
just friendly boxing. I'll take 15. I'll take 13 through 13 through
I mean, it's some little dudes
18.
that
13 through 18.
It's some little dudes that can work.
Y'all know some skinny dudes that can work. And some young and age dudes that don't know how to work. Which one person y'all like to box, like friendly? That y'all know.
Listen,
Damn. We got the challenge. How about you?
Tez. Hard hit in my ass.
next video, you already know what's coming.
Hey, next video we gonna have a little boxing video between these two. But y'all gotta run the views up on this first. What amount of views should we ask for before we do the fun
We need
video?
500, man. Okay.
500 views?
To see us box, that's like a Mayweather fight.
Yeah, that's legendary, y'all.
10K views.
10K views. 10K. 10K views?
Spam up to 10K
Oh
in the
my
comments,
shit,
man.
bro.
Yeah.
If you stayed this long, drop 10K in the comments, man.
Yeah, then. I know my regular supporters. Let me shout y'all out. We may have to end this view. Hey, go end the video. Hey, click that thing on. Break them out. We can't waste no more video time. Damn. I was just about to shout out the regular viewers.
The video. Yeah.